Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's about a tutorial about iPhone, and I would like to show to you the way how to change the sounds for calendar alerts on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, you just need to go open the settings, and whenever you are in the settings, you just need to scrolling down until you found a sounds and haptics, and then you just need to go click it to open it. And whenever you are in a sounds and haptics, you just need to scrolling down in the sounds and haptics pattern, this part, and after that you just need to jump into the calendar alerts over here and just go click it. And now you just need to choose the alert tones that you want to have for the calendar alerts. Just need to check one by one. And if you want to choose the ringtones, they will also appear here. So you just need to choose whatever you want. And whenever you're done choosing it, you just need to go back and the calendar alert is already changed. So that's the way how to change the sound or the ringtone for calendars alert. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.